Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete the items on Vinted pre-love marketplace. Now if you want to delete the items which you have kept on sale on Vinted pre-love marketplace but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to delete the product, then you need to simply open the Vinted pre-love marketplace app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you need to simply log in with Google, email or anything like that. After that, you need to go on the profile page at the very bottom right of the screen, and here you'll see a wardrobe, reviews and about. Here you'll see the number of active list or the active status of the product which you have kept. So if you want to delete this, then you need to simply click on the product itself, and here you'll see the option of bump, share and anything like this. So you need to click on the three straight lines at the very top right, and here you will see the option of mark as sold, reserve, hide, edit, delete. So if the product has been sold, you need to click on the option of mark as sold. If someone has reserved it, then you need to click on the option of result. So if you want to simply delete it, click on the option of delete like this. So it says by deleting this item you have confirmed you have not sold it on Vinted. So click on the option of delete. So as you can see that the product has been successfully deleted. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.